we are going to be doing the Super Mario Lego mystery Lego.
Which box do you want to open first?
I'm not sure. I'm going to probably do the middle one by this owl. Right. Let's put this to the side for a minute. What did I get?
Oh, wow.
What is that?
Cool.
So, yeah, we got the flying squirrel.
Yes!
Yes! Oh, it's one of those unfold instructions. Oh, still unfolding. That is amazing. The yellow one here comes with a rod.
Cool. Awesome.
Right, let's start doing this. So, right. Oh. This is like a little cloud part. So what we need first. There's little feet. That's cool. It's really cool. Right, let's start doing this. Cool. Doing the next one.
No.
Oh, there we go. Just when you say, do you want some help?
Every time.
I do it. Wait. Oh, wait, no. I thought we were getting the same one then. I was like, no. I got the Mushroom Man. Purple coat. Oh, yeah. Look. These are really weird hands, aren't they? They're already like pre-stickered on them, so it's really easy for me. Because I've only got one hand in use anyway. I have two hands, but I only have one in use because I have, well, a broken thumb from falling off a bike. I know, right? A broken thumb from falling off a bike. It's crazy! I have no idea why a bike thing that Jason has ruined. Okay, for him. Oh, my sketch. Load. It's a really cool one. And then if I saw this sort of stuff, it's like sort of hit, really.
I know.
Yeah, it's the one I want to get. Oh, this one's got 2 bags. It's the red one. It's the red dinosaur.
Oh yeah, it doesn't look like it, does it?
Not really.
Awesome. So you got pretty much everything that you wanted out of this. That's amazing.
I know, right? And that's called manifesting.
That is.
Got a lot of pieces. Tonight I can finally do some editing. There's a few stuff in the so just want to ask you, what is your favourite song? I think my favourite song is probably like one of the Teen Titans songs. I normally listen to these things I'm doing now. I know I'm getting more of them because they're just so good. What I like doing my house right now is making Lego robots in corners. I've got a robot over there. I can show you what it is. This is sort of like in a desert. Have you ever got one of these? Because there. If you get the bestest one and you want to put it in, that'll be nice. Oh, I won't manifest. My real robot I made. Really cool. And that's it. Goodbye.